Hey, what's going on, guys? Peace to the family. This is Nate Smooth with the Ebony Afro Network. Today we've got an unboxing of a pair of boxers made by a black-owned company that probably is based in the Atlanta area. So I'm going to do a review of this particular product. We're going to do an unboxing. We're going to break it down. And just to give you a little bit of background on how we got here. So the first step is just being intentional about buying black. So I thought about what are some of the things that I need right now. And one of those things was underwear. So I went to WeBuyBlack.com and I typed in underwear. And one of the sites that popped up was Champ. So I went to the website, I looked at some of the products that they had, and they definitely had some really amazing products. A lot of them were actually sold out. Great website. They had some great African design underwear, and I went ahead and gave it a try. So I made a purchase on a Saturday night, and by Wednesday it was delivered to my door. So I'm actually based in the Atlanta area. So within about 3 business days, I received the product, and pretty much this is what you get. So there you go. That's Champ, the #1 boxer. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get this open. Let's see if we can get this open here. Got one flap open, you get the other flap. So for those of you wondering, what is Ebony Afro Network? So on this channel, you're going to have the main show, and you're also going to have a bunch of different other content, everything from health to finance, popular events, culture, things like that. And you're also going to have a lot of reviews of products from black-owned businesses. So if you're interested in anything like that, go ahead and subscribe.